Most websites don't have 10 conversion problems. They usually have one. One thing quietly costing them signups every single day. Today, I'm putting Zapier.com through my CRO tool to see the single highest impact change they could make to improve conversions. Even companies as big as Zapier still leak conversions. Zapier is an automation platform. It connects thousands of apps so teams can automate workflows without writing code. If this happens, then do that. Simple idea, huge value. The job of the homepage is straightforward. Take visitors who are curious about automation and turn them into free users. When you land on the page, the headline is big and clear: the world's most connected AI platform. Right below that is supporting copy about having more than 10,000 integrations that help teams build faster with security and control. Strong positioning. Zapier is leaning hard into the scale of its ecosystem. Then you start seeing feature tags, outage detection, data checkpoints, intelligent throttling, API change management, all good signals. But something interesting shows up when I run this page through my tool, FirstFix. Start free with email and start free with Google are not dominating the first screen. They get pushed down by the amount of content and imagery in the hero section. In simple terms, the page explains a lot before it clearly shows the action Zapier wants you to take. And that's where conversion friction begins. When someone lands on a homepage, their brain runs a very fast checklist. What is this? Is it useful to me? What do I do next? If the next step is obvious, people move forward. If the next step is slightly buried, people start scanning, and scanning is where drop-off happens. On the Zapier page, there is a lot happening in the hero. Big headline: supporting copy, enterprise messaging, feature chips, product visuals, integration, ecosystem messaging. All of that information is useful, but it competes with the sign-up action. Instead of guiding the visitor directly towards starting a free account, the page asks them to process a lot first. The fix here is actually simple. Reorganize the hero so the sign-up action becomes impossible to miss above the fold. First, pull the Start Free buttons higher so they sit directly under the core value proposition. You read the promise of the product and immediately see how to try it. Second, reduce visual competition in the hero. Some of the feature tags and supporting elements can move slightly lower on the page. The hero should focus on one job: explain the value, start the free account. Third, simplify the message stack. Right now, Zapier is communicating integrations, AI, enterprise capability, and automation all at once. But high-converting pages focus the top section on one clear action. Once someone starts the sign-up flow, you can show them everything else. This kind of change seems small, but it changes how the page guides attention. Good conversion design is really attention design. You're controlling where the eye goes first, second, and third. If the call to action wins that attention battle, users move forward faster. And when a company like Zapier is getting massive traffic, even a small improvement in how quickly users see the sign-up action can translate into a huge increase in new accounts. That's exactly why I built FirstFix. Most websites don't need a redesign. They just need the one change that removes the biggest conversion leak. If you want to see what that change might be on your own site, run it through the tool. Go to firstfix.dev, paste your URL, and it will show you the single highest impact fix to test first. Sometimes the difference between a decent homepage and a high converting one is just one small fix. You just have to see it.